all night. Swinging hovers on the track. It's gangsta black.
BarzBLit.
You know, it's raining. You hear it? A nigga like a god, don't fear it.
Yeah.
I created it. Yeah, they need it. Niggas out here dry.
Ladies tracks.
A new season, you know, the fall. I never shit, man. Clever. I mean,
on the floor.
rap, everybody see it. You know, niggas wanna be me but can't be it.
How could you?
This slippery slope, you know. They talking about ride or go. Hold up.
Whoa,
you know, what they say that at? You know? What they be about that?
Damn.
Bars, man, mathematical.
Yeah.
Angles, you know me, every angle.
Every.
Rectangular, you know them squares. Get them from here, get them to there. You know, pull up, two ghosts. Man, you know, hold up, get them froze. I can't help it cause you chose. Nigga,
shit banging right here.
And kept your eyes closed.
This shit banging right
when
here.
I open, you know, in the scope.
Call this shit
Waiting
the
on
rain.
the go, got him.
You
You
hear
know,
it?
shit,
Real time.
executioner, you know.
And I'm fucking out of my mind.
Linear, while they horizontal, I'm still rocking. Yeah, monumental, this is sentimental.
Can't touch this shit right here.
To the lost and the
Flaming
falling.
shit.
We ballin'.
Like Clay Davis,
Yeah.
nigga. Shit.
24 hours. You know, shit. Messing with sour. That diesel. Yeah. Got these motherfucking flows on go. You know.
BarzBLit.
Peppermint. You know. Be the stick. You know. I ride clean and shit.
Light 'em up, bars.
You know, man. That shit, that didn't make no sense. I just said some shit, man. Hopefully it makes sense. Man, when, you know, they be coming through, talking shit, only if they really know. You know, let a nigga breathe, man. Let him slide, because I know,
Man,
shit,
you niggas
the
lucky.
other side.